K to the E to the K. Nah, nah, nah. Kike. Bodzy, me see every time I want to do. Don't miss any time when you gotta go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I tie my head wraps. In almost about 80% of the videos that I do here on YouTube, I'm always wearing head wraps, and I've been getting lots and lots of requests since like long back. People just requesting me to show them how I tie my head wraps. So I'm going to show you how I tie my head wraps, and it's only 4 styles that I myself have mastered. And so let's get started. So this is the first fabric that I have. It's about 2 yards and about half a yard or half a meter wide. And the first thing that I do is to basically fold it a little bit like that, and then I just put it over my head like that, and then I tie it like that. Yeah, and then I make another knot, and sometimes another one. See, like 3 knots or so. Then I now tuck that inside, then I just fold everything together. Then I take a safety pin, and then so it looks something like that. Scarves. This one is a square. I fold it into a triangle like this. This is how I tie all my square scarf, all of them. If it's square, I tie it like this, and then I fold it like that, make it shorter, then I put it over my head. I'll do it like this, then I sort of make like a braid, sort of like that. Then I now roll it again like that. You see? Then I take my safety pin, and then I pin it at the back like that. This is one of my favorite head scarves. Easy peasy. Now the second style, this one is very popular. This is also about half a meter wide and about 1.5 meters long. This is actually the first African print fabric that I ever bought, you guys, ever. So for this one, I just put it over my head like that. See? And then I tie it. Then I will now do this thing. Yeah. Yeah. And then just twist it into a little knot like that, and then I tuck it. For this one I don't use any safety pin, as you can see, but yeah, the only thing that I dislike about this is when I twist it, the ball sort of kind of shrinks, and then it comes at the it becomes really small, which I don't like. But anyway, this is also the other way that I tie my head wraps sometimes. Okay, so the way I tie my turbans is the same way always. I start by getting one end of the fabric, then like that, and then like that, and then make sure this is, yeah, like that, and then I now like that. You see, you can also put a safety pin here, but sometimes I don't. I just make sure it's very tight, like tight, and then you now bring this over. Then from here I start to twist as I go round and round and round and round. You see, then I tuck, just tuck that there. It's very tight. And then you just manipulate everything and make sure everything is perfect. You can see. So that concludes the end of the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, thank you for sticking by. Please show me your support by liking, subscribing. I would really appreciate that. And please tell your friends about me and tell them to tell their friends about me. I do a lot of other things on this channel. I also do lots and lots of African print DIYs. If you are interested in that, please check that out as well. I also have another video. If you have braids, I have a video on how to style braids using an African print scarf, where I share, I think, 5 or 6 styles specifically for braids. I'm going to put the video at the end of this video so that you can click on it, and I'm also going to link it in the description box and in the comments section. I also have another video on how to style box braids if you've shaved your sides and you have an undercut. I'm also going to link that video so that you can just check out all the many styles that you can style your braids. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.